but today I'm going to show you how to make these really cool 3D origami star boxes. And as you can see, I have different colors here. Now the file is, one color, but you can achieve different looks by actually printing out on different colored papers. So I have just a white plain printer paper, like this gray linen resume paper that I had at home, and a craft paper, which I think is actually kind of the funnest to work with, and it really holds its shape well. So I'm going to show you how to go ahead and make these star boxes once you get your download and print it out at home. So once you have your sheets printed out, you're also going to need a pair of scissors and some double-sided tape or a glue stick. The first thing you're going to do is cut out your star box along the solid gray lines, which is basically just the perimeter of the box. All those dotted lines that you see indicate where you're going to fold. So start with the center fold, folding the printed side away from you, and then follow each side in a star shape as if you were drawing a star. So then fold up all your tabs, and then repeat again the 5 folds as if you were drawing a star on the other side. So now to seal it up, you're going to get your double-sided tape or your glue stick and begin applying it to the tabs. You have 3 tabs in total. Do not apply glue or tape to the tab that has the notch in it. So with the tape exposed or glue, take the first tab and put it underneath the side adjacent to it. Whoops, went off screen here. But you're going underneath and it's going to form kind of a diamond shape when the 2 sides are connected. So just give it a small press in the middle, a little crease right in the center of that diamond. So repeat this with the next tab. Remove the liner if you're using tape, or just apply some glue stick again. And then take the tab on the right and stick it underneath the side closest to it till they are attached. And then again, in that little diamond that's created, kind of press down right in the center to create a small little crease. Repeat this on the other side. The last tab, again, the tab with the notch does not get tape or glue. Slip the tab underneath the side closest to it, and then press down in the middle to create kind of a crease. This helps create the box shape. Now there's one side that should be attached where you didn't tape that needs to be pressed down. There it is, just kind of crease it in the middle. And now you can see your star shape coming to life. You're gonna press down on the last side. And at this point, this is when you're gonna fill your box. If you're gonna put a gift inside or treats or candies, this is the time to do it. And now you're going to close up your box. If you want it to be easy to open, you don't need to apply any tape to this last tab. It should stay closed. But if you want it to be sealed properly, you could add a piece of tape here to keep it shut. And there you go.